Hi guys! So for today's video, interview no about the power of words. Ikaw, Jackie, saan mo na-learn today's Sunday sermon?
Hi everyone, akong main takeaway di ay take when you think before you speak your words is wisdom di ay. So it is a reminder for us Christians nga mag-seek yun ta og wisdom daan, which is wisdom not from the world but from the Lord Jude. For us to be to speak with a tamed tongue bitaw, and to speak with the fruit of the Holy Spirit, which are gentleness, peace, and etc. So muna siya nga if we have wisdom from the Lord, our tongue will be tamed and our words will be filled with the Holy Spirit, which is a blessing and can make the people be blessed by the words that you will speak. So, mo to siya akong main takeaway.
Thank you, Jackie. I hope na-bless mo sa word today, no? Have a great Sunday. God bless you guys.